Better say something that will change my mind. Gotta give me something, 'cause I'm not blind. And I don't know how to enjoy it. Every time you tell me it's not there, I suppose that we won't stand a chance.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is a super extreme speed clean. I'll be giving you guys some 2021 speed cleaning motivation. I have a hot mess upstairs here in the play area, and I will also be cleaning my home decor closet. My home decor closet has really turned into like just the junk closet, but I will be giving that closet some super extreme cleaning today. If you are ready to clean with me and you are having a great day, you already know, drop me some sunshine emojis down in the comment section.
I tried it. Better say something that will blow my mind.
So I am starting off this super extreme speed clean here in the kids' play area. In my home, the kids have multiple play areas, and this play area is not used as much as the others, but it still manages to get crazy up here. So I am just going to quickly tidy up this area. I need to like fully go through and declutter the toys. I've really been trying to pay attention to the toys that the kids don't really touch, or Lauren, she's really not into toys like that, well, yet. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and just speed tidy up this area. If this is your first time stopping by my channel today, hello and welcome. My name is Ryan Michelle. I am a military wife and a stay-at-home mom of 4. On my channel, I create cleaning and laundry motivational videos, lifestyle. I do decluttering and organization. So if you like content like that, I truly hope you consider subscribing and joining my family. My family and I, we are getting ready to move to Germany. So I have tons of new moving content coming to my channel. So if you would like to stick around and come along with me on our new journey, I would love to have you. But yeah, I just finished tidying up this area and I am just going to vacuum. I do have another vacuum, but I decided to use my older vacuum because the suction on this vacuum cleaner is amazing. So I just went ahead and used this one.
We both said some awful words, and I know that we both got hurt, but I wanna be with you.
So one of the main reasons I created this super extreme clean with me video, I know it's pretty short, but I really wanted to just focus on cleaning and decluttering my home decor closet. I have so much stuff in there that I really need to get rid of. So I will be taking a few bins to the Goodwill, and you will see how much I'll be taking to the Goodwill. So stick around and make sure you don't miss that part of the video. But what I'm doing now is just going through certain stuff and creating different piles on what stuff I'm going to keep, what stuff I'm going to donate, or what stuff I am going to sell. I have been trying to sell a few things to make, some extra cash so I can buy some new things that I really enjoy. But a lot of the kids' clothing, I have to get rid of it because some of the stuff is just too worn out, or it's just too small. And with the boys, I did keep a lot of their clothes, but I had a girl, so those clothes are not needed anymore, and we are not having any more kids.
I don't want nobody else. Don't let this go to waste. Don't let this go to waste. I just wanna let you know I wanna be with you. Don't let this go to waste. Working hard, wanna feel you close to me. Wanna feel you close to me. Don't let this go to waste.
Now that I have a bin that is all the way full to the top, I will be taking it downstairs and sitting it right by the front door. And I am still trying to fill up some more bins. That's why I am now making my way into the decor closet. And oh my goodness, y'all, I have tried over and over to clean this closet out, and I still just add more and more things. When I do get rid of things, that's just like my cue to go and buy something new to replace it. But I am really trying to work on that and just stop buying things that I just do not need, things that are just not functional, things that I get tired of looking at within months. And yeah, this is what my decor closet is looking like. A hot mess in here. I can't walk in here. I just can't do anything in here, and I don't need to put anything in here. And I'm still buying stuff for the new house. I'm just crazy, y'all. We were stationed in Hawaii, and when I say it was like a limited amount of things that you can buy in Hawaii, and so I am so nervous about Germany. So I am just trying to stock up on things that I know I will love for the next 3 years. And yeah, so I'm just a little nervous about the shopping experience over in Germany. So don't mind me just stocking up on craziness, but I'm trying to work on that. I am trying to get better at that. At least just try to get rid of the stuff that I know I don't like anymore, the stuff that I don't use anymore, that's just pretty much wasting space, and make room for stuff that I will love and appreciate.
Like snow in the spring, I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine, as long as you spend a little time.
So again, I'm making my way downstairs with another bin that's full of junk and clutter. If you are enjoying this super extreme speed clean, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, because liking my videos help out my channel so much. Leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel if you are new.
The way your light shines, there's no shadows anymore. But then you put doubts and doubts and doubts in my mind. Still, you make me feel like we could be something more, something more. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine, as long as you spend a little time. Oh, spend a little time. I need your time. Spend a little time, yeah. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine, as long as you spend a little time. I just want your time. I just want your time.
So here I'm just trying to consolidate as much as possible and put similar items in the same bins. I have so much just different things up here, all kinds of decor, Easter, summer. I have toys in here and new stuff that I will be putting in our new home. But yeah, I'm just trying to just make it work. And of course, I'm joined by Lauren. She was trying to put her shoe on over there. So actually the shoe was too small. So I was really just trying to get rid of that shoe. But having her around is definitely difficult when trying to get things done.
Someone told me, gotta move on. Keep it together before you fall apart. And there's no reason to be numb, but I can't even fall asleep until the dawn.
As I mentioned earlier, my main focus was to just be able to walk in the decor closet. I wasn't too focused over on the shelf area, even though I will just be pulling down some things and adding them to this bin. But my main goal was just to be able to walk in this space again and just go through and declutter as much as possible on the floor area. But in the future, I will be tackling the entire shelf. That will be for another video. I will be doing a full move out decluttering series type thing over here on my channel. So make sure your notifications are set to all. One of the reasons why my videos have been so short is because I've really been trying to just put out so much content and stay on top of my schedule. So that takes me like recording almost every single day, and that's why my videos have been pretty short. I will be adding in some longer videos here and there. I hope you guys don't mind the shorter videos, but if you do need more cleaning motivation, you can always check out the playlist down in my description box. I have so many playlists on my channel, so if you need more cleaning motivation, if you need some laundry motivation, they are linked down in my description box. But I really hope that this video is giving you guys a ton of cleaning motivation to tackle or declutter a space that really needs some attention. My decor closet really needed like the most attention. But I'm almost done, and you guys are going to see the before and the after and everything that I will be taking to the Goodwill. Just when I thought I was almost finished, I forgot I had to tackle all of this mess over here. I have a serious pillow problem, but I am doing so much better with that, and pillow covers have really been helping me out with that situation. But I am going to just donate a bunch of these pillows that I know I will not be using next year or in the future. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. Alright y'all, we have reached the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this super extreme speed clean. Here I have some satisfying before and afters. If you did enjoy today's video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below. Hit that red subscribe button if you are new here. I truly hope you guys got some cleaning motivation. And now I'm going to show you what the decor closet looks like. Like I said, I was not able to really declutter the shelf area as much as I would have liked to, but it still looks amazing. The before and after still look amazing, and Lauren is always in the mix, you guys. But yeah, Now I want to show you guys how much I took to the Goodwill. So like I said, I hope you guys got a ton of cleaning motivation. This is everything that I donated this day. And yeah, I will see you guys back on my next video.